Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I will be sharing to you very different kind of LV bags. Minimal, chic, modern, and best of all, understated. I feel we need to highlight these bags that screams quiet luxury. So all you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to please stay tuned until the end of our episode. And of course, guys, happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romerify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, the very first one that I would love to highlight would be this very beautiful duffel tote. So this would be launching anytime this month, November 2025. We do not have the price yet, guys, but please take a screenshot of the SKU. So this is from the low-key collection. Material, guys, is the very beautiful and supple calfskin leather with calfskin leather trims and lining. The color of this one is noir. So it comes with adjustable leather strap via the lock, as we could see here. It comes with double zip closure. And guys, the size is 43.5 in length, 26.5 centimeters by 14.5 centimeters. So that is length, width, and height. So what I love about this bag, as you can see, guys, the slouch of this very beautiful leather, the understated Louis Vuitton logo, and of course the size. You could carry this every day for travel, even for work. So it would come in a different colorway. So if you don't like the noir color or black, then definitely you could opt for the cognac colorway. So this is the duffel tote. Unfortunately, no price yet, but we have SKU here, so please take a screenshot. So here we have the padlock, so you could open the padlock, so you could adjust the length of the shoulder strap. I love the double zip feature, so you could open it like this, and as you can see, it could fit a lot. So as you know, as mentioned earlier, the length of this one is 43.5 centimeters, so it could be compared to maybe a Keepal 45. So of course, very chic, very understated, no Louis Vuitton monogram, which I so love and I really love to highlight with you. And then guys, looking back at this bag, Vendome size MM. So this has already launched October 31st, so you can check it out online and of course via your Louis Vuitton store. So the price of the Vendome size MM is 5,200 USD or 6,100 USD. First one, sorry, 5,200 euros. So material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims and lining. So colorway is cognac. What I love about this one, as you can see, the sangles on the side, which makes the side panels adjustable. So the size of this one, length, width, and height is 35.5 centimeters by 28 centimeters by 17 centimeters. And as mentioned on my previous vlog, why I love this bag is because it kind of reminds me of the Celine luggage-esque design, or maybe even the Celine Phantom. So this is how it looks like when you're going to carry it as a shoulder bag with the detachable leather crossbody. Of course, you could carry it as a top handle. And the best part of this one, so this is the size PM, price is 4,900 euro or 5,750 USD. We have SKU here. Just look how gorgeous this one is. So this is the opening with zipper. That strap is fully detachable, and yes guys, there is like a Louis Vuitton monogram at the side panels, but it is very minimal. So it's like still part of the quiet luxury trend, which I super love, and of course very modern with the slouchy design. Next, it would come in the taupe Trianon colorway. So we have the Vendome size PM, 4,900 euro or 5,750 USD. We have the SKU here. So material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims and lining. So as you can see, how gorgeous. Love the interior of this one. So definitely So either the MM or the PM, I feel is very spacious. So of course the MM would be a little bit bigger, but definitely I love the versatility of this bag. So I love it. I love the look of this one. So when the side panels are open like this, but of course if you want to change the look, then definitely you could do the buckles and fold it in. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Next bag I would love to highlight would be this very new design by Pharrell, which is the Verso hobo bag. 3,400 euro or 4,300 USD. We have the SKU here. Material is calfskin leather with calfskin leather trims and suede lining. Color is cognac. So guys, so this one has a reversible feature, as you can see. So maybe the front part would be the calfskin leather, but if you're going to reverse it, then you are going to expose the suede material. It would also come with detachable leather pochette, which I super love. And the dimension of this one, guys, length, height, and width is 30 cm by 33 cm by 15.5 cm. So actually many of the influencers online are carrying this, and to be honest guys, yes, I love the design, but I feel it doesn't merit this very expensive price of 4,300 USD, because I feel this bag is a little bit simple, right? So maybe they could just lower the price a little bit. So we have here the Verso hobo in the colorway black. So love, of course, as you know me guys, I love my black bags. So this is a big yes for me. So it comes with the detachable leather pochette, and this bag of course doesn't come with any Louis Vuitton monogram. So the strap is fully adjustable and fully detachable as well. I love the slouchy design. So this one guys has already launched October 31st 2025. So please check the website and check with your CAs for the availability and how to order this Verso hobo. So of course, if you want a little bit more of color, so we have the Verso hobo in the color khaki green. So this one price is 3,400 euro or 4,300 USD. We have SKU here. So this is how you're going to carry as a shoulder bag, and of course you could also carry it as a crossbody like this. And as mentioned, all the Verso hobo are fully reversible. So I believe the term Verso, it literally means reversible. So again, don't quote me on that one, I could still be mistaken. So what I love, of course, is the understated feature, no LV monogram. So just simple gold stamping of the Louis Vuitton logo on top, very small, very minimal, which I find this bag very modern and very chic. This one from the women's design, so we have the carry all cargo vibe, size PM. So unfortunately we do not have the price, but we have the SKU right here. So take a screenshot and check with your CAs for the prices. So this one has already launched October 17, 2025. So this one material is calfskin with calfskin leather trim. So colorway of this one is like in the metallic dark gray gunmetal color. It comes with silver hardware. So the straps, as we could see here, is fully detachable. Then of course it comes with the monogram canvas bag tag, and that is the only feature that has the Louis Vuitton monogram. Aside from that one, this one is very minimal and is very chic. I believe it also comes in different colorway. So this one guys, I have just discussed from the Cruise 2026 collection, but then again I would love to highlight them. So first we have the Speedy 25 silhouette. So this collection will be launching on November 14th. Price of this one is 4,300 USD. So the material of the silhouette collection from the Cruise is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is this one, how gorgeous, Arizona. It comes of course with detachable leather strap, lock and key set with dual zip. So what I love about the Speedy 25, as you can see, yes, it's very, familiar shape, Speedy 25, but it doesn't have any Louis Vuitton monogram, which I find it very chic. Just like with this side trunk silhouette price at 5,050 USD. So the colorway Arizona. So Arizona is like a pre-treated vachetta, but then again, guys, you do not have to worry because this is an all treated leather. Definitely, we do not need to fear of water stains or maybe color transfers. So as you can see, it's very slouchy, very soft with the cowhide leather trims. Classic side trunk details, comes with 2 straps. So it comes with detachable leather top handle strap, and it comes with a thicker leather strap that you could wear as a long shoulder bag or as even as a crossbody. So as you can see, this is how you're going to open with the zipper pull tab. Next on the collection, this one, guys, OMG, I am really salivating on this one. Alma PM Silhouette. So it's a little bit expensive though at 4,550 USD. So same Alma PM design, but they have just, made it a little bit more modern with the use of cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims minus the Louis Vuitton monogram, as you can see. So it is in color white, detachable leather strap. It also would come with the clochette, lock and keys, as you can see. So hopefully, guys, they're going to release this kind of Alma in different colorways because I am not, a big fan of white. It's just because I do not take care of my white stuff. It would get dirty easily. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!